Ever wondered why your summer vacations are getting hotter each year? Well, pull up a chair and let's unravel this burning issue. Europe, known for its diverse seasons, is no longer just experiencing a warm summer. The year 2023 was not just warm, it was scorching, breaking records left, right, and center. But this isn't just about discomfort, folks. This is about life and death. The heat waves we've been facing are not just a matter of a couple of extra beads of sweat. They're deadly, causing a significant rise in heat-related deaths across Europe. From the sunny shores of Spain to the rolling hills of Scotland, no corner of our continent has been spared. A report by the United Nations Weather Agency highlights these harrowing statistics. It paints a picture of a continent under siege by a relentless and merciless enemy: extreme heat. The report serves as a stark reminder of the reality of our changing climate. So next time you're sweltering in the summer sun, remember, it's not just a hot summer, it's a deadly heat wave. But it's not just the heat that's causing havoc. Europe is also grappling with a deluge of unprecedented proportions. The year 2023 saw increased rainfall, leading to high river levels across the continent. This surge of water hasn't been kind, causing widespread flooding and untold disruption. Here's the kicker: this isn't just a run of bad luck. The United Nations report indicates that these weather patterns are intrinsically linked to climate change. As our planet heats up, so does the atmosphere. And a warmer atmosphere can hold more moisture, leading to heavier, more extreme rainfall. It's a vicious cycle, really. More heat means more evaporation, and more evaporation leads to more precipitation. So as our world continues to warm, we can expect these downpours to become more frequent, more intense, and more destructive. So the next time you hear the pitter-patter of raindrops on your rooftop, remember, it's not just a shower, it's a symptom. When it rains, it pours, and it's pouring more than ever. And if you think the sea might offer some relief, think again. Now let's dive into the deep blue, where we're not finding the cool respite we might hope for. Sea surface temperatures are hitting new heights, with marine heat waves being classified as beyond extreme. These aren't your average summer waves. We're talking about prolonged periods of excessively hot sea temperatures. It's like a fever that won't break. This isn't just a bit uncomfortable for our finned friends. It's a genuine crisis. Coral reefs are bleaching, fish populations are shifting, and marine ecosystems are in turmoil. This is more than just a problem for the creatures beneath the waves. These temperatures are contributing to rising sea levels. Warmer waters expand, and this thermal expansion is causing the sea to encroach on our coasts. The sea, once thought to be vast and invincible, is now showing signs of distress. It's not just bearing the brunt of our warming world, it's amplifying the effects. The ocean isn't a safe harbor from the heat. It's in the frying pan with the rest of us. But what about the colder regions? Surely they're safe? Well, think again. Even our coldest corners aren't exempt from the heat's relentless grip. The Arctic, known for its icy vastness and frigid temperatures, is warming up. The sea ice extent, a vital component of the Arctic's ecosystem, is below average. This reduction in sea ice is more than just a loss of scenic beauty. It disrupts the delicate balance of this ecosystem, threatening the survival of its unique wildlife and impacting weather patterns around the globe. Let's shift our gaze to the Alps. These towering peaks were once adorned by thick blankets of snow. Now the number of snow days is dwindling, leading to the loss of glacier ice. These glaciers, age-old sentinels of cold, are melting away. It's not just a loss for the skiers and mountaineers, it's a loss for humanity, as these glaciers serve as crucial freshwater reservoirs. What's more, the sizzling temperatures have sparked wildfires, releasing high amounts of carbon emissions. This is a vicious cycle, as these emissions further fuel the global warming that's causing these heat waves. In conclusion, even the ice isn't safe from this heat. The cold is warming, the ice is melting, and our world is changing. So what can we do about all of this? It's a question that rings in our ears, echoing across a world too warm, too wet, too wild. The United Nations report underlines it starkly. The importance of climate action cannot be overstated. We must leverage science, harness its power, and seek solutions within its vast expanse. There's a glimmer of hope on the horizon. Renewable energy generation is on the rise. We're tapping into the sun, the wind, the tides, and in doing so, we're moving away from the fossil fuels that have fueled this crisis. It's a step in the right direction, a sign that we're beginning to listen to the Earth's desperate pleas. But it's not enough. Not yet. We need more. More innovation, more commitment, more action. We need to make every day Earth Day to remember that this planet is our only home. We need to fight for it, for its future and ours. The heat is on, but so is the fight against climate change. It's a battle we can't afford to lose.